We have seen over the last few years a dramatic improvement in the state of security in our country as a result of the work that the colleagues who have gone through this course before you have done. And we expect that with you joining their ranks, Kenya can only be a much safer place, and our citizens can sleep peacefully knowing that there are men and women like you protecting their lives against people who would wish to do harm to them.
These teams employ tactics, techniques, and procedures augmented by technology that are adaptive, preventive, and preemptive. This is in line with Administration Police Service Border Security Mandate.